Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Shortcuts because this is the only supported way to change a default app icon. Create a new shortcut, add the Open App action, and pick Safari. Once done, name it clearly so you can find it fast. Then tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen. This is where you attach your custom image. Make sure your icon art is square and save to Photos so adding it is immediate and clean. Next, you assign the visual. Tap the icon preview and add to home screen, select photo, and choose your custom image. You can zoom and position to fit. This ensures the glyph looks right at small sizes. After confirming, tap Add. The custom shortcut appears on your home screen like any app. Move it where you want, a page, folder, or dock. Remember that the shortcut launches Safari through Shortcuts, so placement determines your daily. To complete, remove the default Safari icon from the home screen. Long press the app, choose Remove App, then Remove from Home Screen. It stays in the app library. This makes your new icon the visible launcher. If you see a Shortcuts banner or slight delay when opening, that's expected. Shortcuts proxies the launch. If it bothers you, keep both icons or redesign the workflow. Make sure iOS is updated and Shortcuts permissions are allowed to avoid launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.